Philly Comic Examiner here, unboxing the last subscription version of the Marvel Collector box. After this box, Funko will no longer be mailing out these mystery boxes to subscribers. They will be exclusively available from some yet to be named retailer. I do not know if you can order this box on Funko Shop. I tried to do a quick search without spoiling this box for myself, and I couldn't see it, but the last Disney Treasures box was available on Funko Shop, so you might have some left there if you like what you see here. Maybe if it's not up now, maybe it'll be up soon. Anyway, Avengers Infinity War is the final theme, by no surprise whatsoever. I would like to just point out that I am very disappointed in Funko for not having a Black Panther Marvel Collector box. Just about every cinematic Marvel Universe movie that's come out since Funko's been doing these boxes has gotten its own box. And the box before this was Animal Instinct, which did have one Black Panther item in it, but it was not a box completely devoted to Black Panther, and that's lame. So anyway, here we are, Avengers Infinity War. Maybe there'll be another Black Panther item in here. I don't know. Personally, I'm certainly hoping for some Hulkbuster stuff in here, but I have a feeling that that's probably a wide release item and it won't be in here. But without further ado, here we go. Here's your big Infinity Gauntlet on there, just so you can get an eye of it. This has got to be the largest box so far. Almost doesn't fit on my box. Alright, here we go. Oh. Start something small. Keycaps. Oh, it covers. I've never even seen this product before, let alone from Funko. You put it over the head of your key. So that's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Alright, so not only is it a different type for Funko, but it's just new to me altogether. Let's see some. Alright, we have a small apparel item. It looks like a handkerchief. Fine by me. I do not need another t-shirt. I cannot get this open. Here we go. I don't know what this is. Oh, here we go. Iron Man. Here we go. Iron Man handkerchief. Pretty cool. Good. Good. Alright. Don't know there's much else in here because there's something very, very large. Alright, looks like we have a pop of... No, we don't. It is an Infinity War mug. It changes colors depending on what you have in here. So if you have a cold item, it's dark. And if you have a hot item in there, the Infinity Stones, gems, what do we call them? Infinity Stones turn colors. Alright, so there you have that. And let's just see what the big boy is in here. What the what? Alright. This is a giant Thanos pop on the Sanctuary 2 ship. There you have it. Got the Infinity Gauntlet, which is cool. That's cool. Alright, so there you have it. Not a whole lot in here. They went very big. This might be the biggest. Well, I don't know if it's any bigger than any other deluxe pops, but it's certainly pretty cool. I would have probably liked a couple of smaller pops, like regular pops, or again Hulkbuster pop or something other than a mug. I don't really need more mugs. Where's that key thing? I don't know where it went. That might be my favorite item in here, and it's gone. I've lost it. I've lost it! Alright, well, you saw it before. You don't need to see it again. Here's the handkerchief. And voila! Look at that magic trick. Ha ha! Oh, well, that didn't work. Alright, anyway, there you go. That's the last Marvel Collector box that subscribers will get. If Funko releases more in the future, they will be available at some retailer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment or a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I have a feeling that I'm going to get many thumbs down. Oh, I found the thing. Woo-doo! There it is. Alright, couldn't let it go. Feel free to leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to give me a follow on Twitter at PA Comic Examiner. Thanks again, and enjoy the movie out this weekend. This weekend being April 27th-ish. Alright, goodbye.